Good morning students. In this video I am going to show you that how you can set up the Google Classroom in your mobile phones, and you can also join the various classes designed by the different subject teachers. And by using this app you can also view the lecture videos created by the teachers, and you can also see the class note and other project work. These all things we can do by using this app. Okay, so I am starting with the first step. To install the Google Classroom in your mobile phone, first of all you will go to the Google Play Store and look for the app Google Classroom. Here it appears at the top. Choose that one and click on the install button. The app is of 12.53 MB. And when the installation is completed, you have to click on the open button. Click on that button and look, the first window appears and it has one button on it, that is get started. Click on that. Okay, after clicking on that button you will see this small window. It shows you all the email ID through which you can log in into this app. Okay, so for example here I am choosing my email ID, and after that I will click on OK button. Okay, so here is the first screen which appears of the Google Classroom. Okay, and suppose that if you want to join the various classrooms, and for that you will be provided with the class code by the different teachers. Okay, so first of all you need the class code shared by the teachers, and when you have all these code you have to join all the classes one by one, and for that you have to click on the plus button at the top of the title bar here. Okay, so I show you few examples by joining these classes. Okay, so when you will click on the first plus button you will see these two options, join class and create class, and students you will choose the first option, that is join class. Click on that and see that here in this text box it is asking for your class code. Okay, so you may be having the class code with you for the various subjects. For example here I am having one code of Meeta ma'am, so see that how can I join that. The class code is shared by her is SPY. You have to fill the class code here, RMBG. Okay, so it is the class code, and after clicking on this, filling the class code, you have to click on the join button at the top. Okay, so now see that here the class of chemistry class 10th appears, the name appears here, Meeta Sinha, and you can also see the link shared by her for her lecture. Here is the notice, hello student, I am sharing period of Tobin lecture recording with you. You can access the lecture by clicking on the following link. Okay, so in the same way you can join the other classes also. I take you back to the previous window. We have already joined the chemistry class. After that, see that we have one more code for Simansar class. So for that also you have to repeat the same process. Click on the plus button and choose the first option, that is join class, and now I am filling the class code of the Simansar. Okay, and after filling this I will click on the join tool. Okay, and see here 10 Simans, the class appears, and you can also see the three notices in this class, and you can click on these notices. See the videos are uploaded here, and you can go through any video. Okay, in this way, and see the various lectures given by the teacher. In the same way children, you have to join the other classes also. Kavita ma'am also has shared one class code. I show you one more example. I am filling the code here, P60. see class 10th ABC, and now you can see the class created by the Kavita ma'am. Okay children, so it is the, and now you have joined the three classes, and in the same way you can also feed the various class code, and you will have all the classes in this screen. Okay, so I hope that you will find this video useful and you can attend all the classes. Best of luck. Thank you.